Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix there was an error playing the video in WhatsApp in Android. So let's begin. So here we are in our phone, and from here we want to go into our WhatsApp first so that we can fix the problem. And from here you want to tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen right here. So tap it, and from here you want to tap on settings. And now from here we are going to our chats right here. You want to tap on this one right here, tap, and from here you want to tap on chat backup. And from here you want to go and set the backup to monthly to Google Drive into daily. So you want to tap on this so that you would have these choices right here, and you want to tap on daily. And now that it's done, you need to tap here on backup right here, this backup button right here. So tap it, and once it's done, then you can now close, and let's just let it complete right like that. And now what we need to do is go into our WhatsApp app, but we're not going to open it, we're just gonna hold. And as you can see, we can have the app info right there, or you could just go into your settings right here if you can't do that. And from here you want to type apps, or you can find the apps right here in your settings, so you can see all the apps installed in your phone, and you want to tap on manage apps right here. And as you can see, I can see everything. And from here we want to type WhatsApp right here, and you want to tap on WhatsApp, and we can go now into the app info. And from here we want to go into this button right here, clear data, where it says clear data, and you want to tap on it, and you want to clear cache. You don't want to clear all data because that will reformat the WhatsApp app, and you would need to log in again, and you might also need to back up again. So you just need to clear the cache, not whole data. So if you have a clear cache data, just clear cache button right here, so you just want to tap on that. And the next thing is going into our permissions. So you want to go here, tap app permissions, and from here you want to make sure that everything is allowed. You want to allow this, and you want to tap on this, everything on not allowed right here. You on location, allow only while using the app, and microphone also, and allow everything right here. And that's that. Allow again, and SMS is allowed. And after that, you're all good. And now let's proceed to the next step, which is very simple. We're just going to go into the Play Store, and from here we're gonna type WhatsApp on the search box right here, WhatsApp. And from here you want to make sure that when you go into your WhatsApp right here, there is no update button right here. So if your results is like the same, just like this one, I have the open button, then you're all good to go. You can now open in WhatsApp and see if the problem is fixed. But if there is an update button instead of the open button, then you would need to click or tap on the update button so that you can update it, and then you can open your WhatsApp to see if the problem is fixed. That's basically it for this video. I hope you find this helpful.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.